Yeah, wrong clutch, no? Right clutch, no? Wrong clutch, no? It's a golf clutch. That's an Opel clutch. The thing, no? This is a clutch job. The car came in at 10:30 this morning, no? For a clutch job. Daar lê die box. Wanneer die wil hy jou clutch, there's a box. Waar is jou clutch? Camera aan die hoek alweer. I'll show you that there was a look on. Now there's a old clutch. And there's a new clutch. That's the wrong clutch for this car, no? Don't put looks on those cars. So all you are doing in the process is snapping cables and then fucking up the pedal inside. The pedal's made of plastic. So if you're gonna put a hard clutch in like that, you're fucking up other stuff. The pedal is 750 to 1,000 rand. And some places you're gonna pay 1,500 for that pedal. You see what the belt's supposed to do when you rev it up? It shouldn't have a lot of bounce. That is a consistent bounce. So your belt shouldn't be flopping about, no? Shouldn't be doing that when you rev it. Should be a consistent idle like that.